friends. Today we are going to discuss risk management. Okay, in last lecture we are already discussed that what is risk and what is the risk management and why it is important. So risk is nothing but it is an uncertain event that may have positive or negative impact on project. And last lecture we also discussed what is risk management and why is important. Today we are going to discuss uh, risk management steps, how we are going to tackle the risk. There are different stages are available to tackle the risk. First one is plan risk management. Second one is your identify of risk, qualitative risk analysis, quantitative risk analysis, plan risk response, and next one is monitor and control risks. Okay, so first one is plan risk management. This is nothing but analysis, analysis and decision making to implement risk management. Here, this is nothing but the steps which is to be performed by higher level authorities or project leader or project manager. Uh, Here, for the same, stakeholders will be involved in planning risk management. There are different risks is to be considered for this: schedule risk, cost risk, quality risk, scope risk, resource and customer satisfaction risk. So plan risk management is nothing but this process. With the help of that, the we are going to plan the risk management. Next one is identification of a risk. Here, risk has more. Which risk has more probability affecting the project? These are the few concern which is to be discussed by the project leader. Here, two things are considered: information gathering and checklist. Okay, here particular risk register is to be also considered for identification of a risk. Next one is qualitative risk analysis. Qualitative risk analysis is nothing but the process to identify what kind of loss is to be affected by this particular risk to quality of a project or budget, quality of a project or what we can say that organization. Next one is quantitative risk analysis. Quantitative risk analysis, this is nothing but the data gathering and analysis on that we are going to, but here the analysis in a statistical format. Here the qualitative and quantitative risk analysis are performed simultaneously. Next one is plan risk response. Plan risk response is nothing but the process to eliminate the threats before they happen. There are two risk, or what we can say that two things is to be considered for this risk response. First one is positive risk, and second one is your negative risk. So positive risk is nothing. There are different risk types are there: exploit risk, share risk, and enhance risk. Next one is negative risk. In negative risk, we are going to find out avoid risk, transfer risk, mitigation risk, and finally accept risk. Next one is monitor and control risk. Monitor and control risk, as its name suggests, here we are going to monitor and control the risk. There are three types or three steps is to be taken out for consideration. First one is risk assessment, risk audit, and trend analysis. So this is risk. There are this is the steps which are available for risk management planning. Thank you so much.